my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to episode 7 of my style series, aka Vlogmas. So every day in this month of December, I've been sharing with you guys different hairstyles that are easy to do, that can be done within a short period of time, and that are really cute, that keep your hair protected throughout this period, just so that you guys will have different styling options to style your hair with this festive season. So today is day 7 of my style series. If you guys have not watched all the previous episodes showing different styles that I've shown you guys before, then I'm going to leave the video up in the iCards and also in the description box so that you guys can go and check it out. So yesterday's video, I showed you guys how to make this hairstyle that I'm currently wearing now, that is so cute and so nice. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to spice up the bun, like different ways to make this bun, to change the look, to make the style look like you've done a totally different style. So people will keep asking you like, oh, how come you're always changing your style? That requires very minimal manipulation and that will require absolutely no breakage. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So the plan was actually to take down the bangs and just wear, like, show you guys different ways to make the buns, but I'm actually feeling the bangs. I like the bangs. Like, I feel like it just adds an extra kind of vibe to the whole hairstyle, so that's why I'm going to keep on wearing the bangs, at least for now, until I get tired. So yeah, let me show you guys different ways to make the bun. This is the first bun I did. If you guys have not watched how I did this particular bun, then I'll link it up in the card so that you guys can go and check that out. So for the another way you can make your bun is, I removed one of the hair tie that I used earlier. This another way you can make your bun is the style I showed you guys in my day 2, I believe it's day 2 of the style series, where I did the bun with braids, braided ends. So that's actually another cute way to wear your bun, but I'm not going to be showing you guys that again today because I already have a video on that. I'll link it up in the iCards. Another way you can do your bun is to make this like a standing bun. So you're going to just put more and more ribbons, just so that like the bun is high. We want to put one more ribbon at the base, just to give it some more height. Now this cannot go around a second time, so I'm just going to go ahead and twist this and just like wrap it in, just so that it forms one. So this is one style. This is one style, one way to make your bun. This is like the standing up bun. I really like this bun because it just screams attention. Whenever I go out wearing my hair like this, like I get so much attention. You know, we can also like define this part with like twists or braids, or you can like just apply gel just to make this a little bit more like defined. This is one way to make your bun, and this is so cute. So let me go ahead and show you guys the back view. This is actually like Wakanda inspired bun, and I really like this. So apart from this, another way you can make the bun is to, let me show you guys another way to make your bun. So for this, you're just going to do like as if you want to do a regular bun, right? You wrap it, make your nice bun, and then you divide your hair into 2 and just like wrap. This is like a more like conservative bun, so you bend and hide it under the hair tie. You can also use a bobby pin if you want. So this is another cute way you can make your bun. This is a smaller, more like conservative kind of bun. So yeah, with that we've come to the end of this video. This completes day 7 of my Vlogmas, and I cannot believe I made it to day 7. We have 18 more days to go, and I'm so excited. If you've been enjoying this series so far, please let me know down in the comment section. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to be doing next because I don't know what I'm going to be doing next yet. But fingers crossed. With that we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.